These leaves were organic. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for everything. I'm grateful. Okay, now today I have come with another wonderful seed called chia seed. Chia seed, when you are looking at it, it looks like sand. Have you seen it? It looks like sand, blackish in color, and it's among the kume family. It's very rich in nutrients as well, and it can be used for a lot of things. Very good for people with constipation, very good with people with ulcers, very good with somebody that is having diabetes. You know, the way these things works, they are like the knives. You get it. This one is like doing almost the same work flax does. Okay, so now how do we make use of chia seeds? How do we make use of chia seeds? I do make use of mine in different ways. I can use it, sprinkle on the food like the way I use flex, or use as a smoothie. So let's go. Now you pour milk, low fat milk, skimmed milk. All the fats are being extracted. Okay, that's why it's called skimmed or low fat milk. Actually skimmed. Then you now pour your chia seed you have washed. Yes, whenever you want to use them, make sure you wash them. This one you cannot put in a basin to wash, but you put in your sieve. Yeah, you put it in sieve because it's just like sand. Have you seen it? It's just like sand. When you put it in the basin, it will all disappear in there. But when you put inside the sieve, it will remain in the sieve as the running water is washing the dirt out of it. So now these are the ones I soaked. Have you seen the way it is? Is the way it's glued like gum. So you scoop the quantity you want. That quantity you want, you get it. Yeah, you scoop. You put in your milk, skimmed milk. Then you put yogurt. This is good for children. It's good for adults. It is very, very good. Yeah, and it supports. Should I say heart health? Yeah, it supports heart health. So we are putting now our Greek yogurt. Very good yogurt. If you like, you can use probiotic. It's not a must you use Greek, okay? Probiotic yogurts are also very good. So you can use that as well. So you have seen it. So when you put it in your milk, so I'm blending our chia seeds. So that is it. It's done. Okay. Your chia seeds. Let me pour and I show you how it looks like. Almost like the other one. Have you seen some black particles? Yeah, but rich. When you taste this, you will like having it every time. Oh my goodness. So good. Yummy. Okay, do you know you can also use chia seeds for hair? It grows hair rapidly, grows hair very well. When you blend it with milk, you can massage it all over the hair and cover your hair. Yeah, the same thing mayonnaise treatment can do on the hair. Chia seed will give you better. Okay, another way I do use my chia seed, I can put direct in the water, but when you put it in the water, it grows, it expands. You get it? It expands. You can put it and you keep drinking in the office, you keep taking at home. Yeah, it helps in blood sugar management. It also helps in weight management. Yeah, and it improves cardiovascular health also. It's rich in antioxidants. Yeah, very good. Have you seen it? Very, very good. Very good. When you take the one already in the water like this, it has a kind of slippery content. You get it, you feel it like okra, and we know what okra also do to the body. Yeah, what it does. Okay, so that is it for today. Thank you for joining me. Thank you, and thank you once again. Please keep subscribing and connecting people to this platform. Like I've said earlier on, your overall wellness is my concern. Okay, so thank you, and thank you.